President Emerson Mnangagwa's top ally, Agriculture Minister Anxious Masuka, is clashed with the military elite over control of tobacco industry. Zvadhakwa panapa. Tona kuti panapa aiwa top ally yemutungamiri wenyika ichiklasha nemakomana vemilitary zvavhundutsa vanhu. Sana pina mashuka budanyora panapa kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina muna umwe budanyo pamuchinzi. The tobacco industry is a key foreign currency source that engrows both the junta and Zambia's entrenched election rigging machinery. The Zimbabwean military, which controls vast swathes of the economy, including the mining and agricultural sector, has long been used these industries to finance its operations, sustain its political dominance, and ensure ZANU-PF remains in power. Lieutenant General retired Gilbert Rugeje, a key ally of VP Chwenga, is a board member of Tobacco Industry and Marketing Board. He has openly accused Agriculture Minister Anxious Masuka of obstructing the appointment of a permanent CEO of the board. The delay, Rugeje argues, he has created instability within the tobacco industry and allowed external players, including powerful political and business interests, to manipulate the sector for their own benefit. Testifying before Parliament's Portfolio Committee on Lands, Agriculture, Fisheries, Water and Rural Development, Rugeje expressed frustration at Masuka's interference in course. The absence of a substantive CEO has caused significant toxicity, but we thought, as a committee that oversees our industry, we could assist in resolving this issue. The situation is far from ideal. There are numerous challenges. Some of issues being raised are directly related to the absence of the permanent CEO. If we had one, many of these problems would have alleviated. We are handicapped as a board without leadership. Tomashikana kudashitokwa panapa chipfuzo nevakomana aiwa vachiti panguva ino hazvina kumira zvakanaka patona kuti vana Anxious Masuka vouya panapa aiwa vachikonana nana Rugeje panguva ino vakomana vemilitary. Zvatokona kuti kunyange vanhu vachiziva kuti aiwa this tobacco dues ndio anosapota the ruling party pamwe the military, but vakomana panapa vachitadza kuwirirana. Amene zvichapera sei? Mudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechituko ichi. Pinda kumesection medu mudze mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.